Picasso.
Look at our starters brought to us by Doride. Ang bola ng Pinoy, it's Miranda, Mangubat, Alfanta, Panapanaan, and Pre para sa Batang Abra. Batang Kangkalu naman will have Manalili, Borcelo, Pablo, Medina, and Gagate to round out their five. Takbo dito tayo sa kabila para sa Batang Abra. Miranda, orchestrate para sa Batang Abra Weavers. Floats it up, and in.
And itong si Dwayne Miranda is
Miranda able to lose Manalili and Medina. Galawang Arjan de la Cruz.
nice.
To a pace. Mangubat. Alpanta. Shot too strong. Pre offensive rebound and hits on the hook.
And these are the kinds of Manalili and hindi masyadong nag-work para sa kanila early in this first quarter.
Mangubat, step back three, knocks down the triple. Lawrence Mangubat starting off early. Didn't have the game na hinahanap niya.
But this is that great move by Lawrence Mangubat, no? Yung slight bump niya dito kay Jokobo.
Off the mark, rebound Panapanaan. Nice feed, Pre. There you go, that's the connection na kanina pa hinahanap ng Batang Abra.
Ito ng game 1.
This feed once more from Miranda. Malaredo na. A lot of time to work with here for the orange shirts. Pablo dropping it off Diamante. Gets his first two of the ball game.
So that's a better play for Caloocan Batang Kangkalu. And
We'll slow it down. Gets it inside to Pablo. Sidestep. Gets another bucket.
and what a luxury to have.
Answered by this 4-0 run naman para sa Batang Kangkalu. Manalili. Dishing it off to Pablo once again. This time an end one.
Manalili handling that leather as you see this pound for pound fitness foul counted. Titing Manalili to Luis Pablo. I don't know how many times we've Didlock seen as such a great weapon off that bench. Whenever he comes in, talagang positive ang kanyang napoproduce. As you see this low post move.
An 8-0 run now para sa Batang Kangkalu. They are up by 1, 10-9 finally. The drought broken here by Garupil para sa Batang Abra. Talikang kalamangan sa Abra. 12-10. Diamante on the block. Inside Pablo. Power move inside. His second and one of the game. Fishing a foul against VJ Pre.
Pwesto, alam niya ang gagawin whenever he gets that ball. As you see this pound for pound fitness foul counted for Luis Pablo.
We spoke about the
For Titing Manalili, kailangan niya timplahin ng konti. Yung looks na hinahanap niya. As you see this put back by VJ Pre.
natin. Itatawag dito ng Batang Kangkalu. After that miss from Garupil, VJ Pre. Also, the level of activity pinapakita niya dito sa ating.
It's really hard to close out a series, especially playing against a great team in Caloocan. But as you see this attack by Diamante, Coach Deno, it's always gonna be there. No? Depende lang sa iyo kung paano mo i-handle, and they really have to handle it very well right now.
Justin Lozano knocks down the triple. Falling a bit short.
But I think Manalili had that left side for that layup already. But this is Justin Lozano once again, so woken up.
Move brought to us by Pound for Pound Fitness. Players like Lozano, Renzo, Ubat. To find the opening, scoops it up and in. Lawrence Mangubat just in the nick of time to up the lead to 6. Away to the hoop as we look at some highlights brought to us by Chef's Magic.
Another great start para dito kay sa Batang Abra Weavers.
Para sa parehong koponan, a 7-0 blast. Bibitawan ng Batang Abra to end the first as they will take a 6-point lead heading into our second period. Capped off by that Lawrence Mangubat basket. So abante muli sila dito ng 6. Eligado, first time in the game, will get the finger roll to go.
Great recognition para dito kay Jamir Eligado.
Maagawan ni Eligado. This looks in. The short stab, Lozano gets the roll.
And what about Lozano? Already has a
Strong on the 3-point try. Pablo has a head of steam. Another basket para kay Luis. First play in double digits with 11. Eligado, itira mo na. Meanwhile, we take a look at our fast break of the game brought to us by Larga International Logistics Incorporated.
contribute for his team, and when he does, he just we don't even know kung paano, pero nakakahanap siya.
Herrera gives us his own version of an end one. Take another look at that move. Able to get that foul contra kay George Diamante. Move brought to us by Pound for Pound Fitness. Leather.
Well, Titing Manalili has to recognize that as soon as he got into that post area, as you see this Jamir Eligado floater. So he really has to release that ball right away.
Released it that time, but Despi with a miss. Pablo able to keep it alive. Luis Pablo. Bonus free throw pa ang paparating sa kanya. Another rebound out of nowhere. Just tapping into himself. I believe it's third and one dito sa ating ball game. You see at the bottom of your screen saan yung nangyari din pagkatapos.
Running on number 16, George Diamante, and number 8, Bobby Hill, both for unsportsmanlike behavior.
Held to single digits in that game number 2 loss. Only had 8. Diamante for 3. Knocks down the triple. So George Diamante is still picking up where he left off from that game number 2 victory.
Kagaya yung tira na yun.
Cuts the lead down to 5. Miranda finds an opening, gets it to drop.
And what about Miranda? Just breaking down his defense.
Beats Borcelo. A 3 on the way. Splashes it. Joko Borcelo. Let's see if that could heat him up.
Parang mag-focus din sa bagay na yun ngayon.
Find Borcelo once again. Back-to-back triples para kay Joko.
And what about Diamante? Just attacking that shaded.
Weaver Slamtex. This was the first triple of the feed from Manalili. Yun nga, George Diamante able to find a hot hand. Outside sniper. 5:05 remaining here sa ating second timeout brought to us by Domo Domo. Slurp, enjoy and smile.
Lawrence Mangubat, no, every time this guy attacks, every time this guy gets that ball, and as soon as I said that, another 3-pointer para kay Lawrence Mangubat. But
Para sa Batang Kangkalu, while Abra was still the winner in that category, rebounding was certainly a better performance here para sa Caloocan. Nakakasabay sila as Luis Pablo.
and that helped secure that win against Batang Abra Weavers.
Moving it on both ends of the floor, Luis Pablo with a block. Gets it to Despi. Diamante thought about the 3. Stepping closer, floats it up off the glass for 2.
And what about Diamante?
Tied at 34, 3 and 10 remaining. Still here in the second period, Eligado, aggressive to the hoop, gets another basket.
And we can see
We run to the other end, this is Mangubat. Spinning off, Manalili, look at that move from Lawrence.
what about Lawrence Mangubat after
Was Manalili trying to shadow him. Nakatakas pa rin. Lawrence Mangubat has 10 here sa ating first half. That basket.
guy that you can't afford to get hot, especially on the latter part of this game.
Diamante. Right wing triple. He loves that spot. George Diamante. Final 15 seconds. Mangubat. Cross court. Lozano all alone. Knocks down the triple. Justin Lozano has 10. First and to end the second. That mini run to still keep the driver's seat. 41-38 matatapos ang ating first half. Abante ang Batang Abra.
Ng Batang Abra Weavers, but that time Panapanaan was already there to help out.
Diamante able to find a cutting Luis Pablo.
Good thing for our referees. Talagang ina-establish nila kung hanggang saan lang yung pwedeng physicality.
Alfanta with a step back. There you go. Para kay Mac Alfanta.
DJ Pre, Lawrence Mangubat and Justin Lozano. Hindi, manghuhula ka na if you're Caloocan kung sino babantayan mo. As you see another basket from Lawrence Mangubat, and Lawrence Mangubat was going for that high looper layup already, but Luis Pablo was able to block that shot. As you see another three-pointer for Earl Medina. Those 3 fouls. Now it's Earl Medina's turn to come alive for his team.
Pre able to get the bounce. DJ Pre, so tough.
Minutes in this quarter. Pinagpahinga muna si Lawrence Mangubat.
May Mac Alfanta ka naman na gumagana na dito sa ating third quarter. Has Batang Abra. Alfanta on the attack once again. The sidestep to the bucket.
That's too easy for Mac Alfanta. Titing Manalili has to...
Here in the third, blowing by his defender. Finishing on the short stab. Lead up to 8, 51.
Jidloksin just getting that rebound against Luis Pablo. Missing on the other end, but DJ Pre was right there to get that offensive rebound and the putback.
points. Sama mo na rin ng 8 rebounds. Now a double-digit lead para sa Batang Abra. Manalili finally
Basket is good for Titing
able to get
Manalili.
The help defense was a little too late. You can see Panapanaan way down low on that.
Despi. Outside Manalili. No look inside. Gagate with a short stab.
And ito naman yung strength ng Caloocan Batang Abra Weavers. Like the game 1, medyo boring yung pace. And obviously, nag-work on their favor.
Garupel though with a 3-pointer from the corner. Up
That's his second
on
personal
that
foul.
hack. Look at that feed once more from Manalili. 7 Gagate. Hindi naman sinayang. Lawrence recovers. Patuloy ang maaagawan dito ni Manalili. Lilipad. Finishes.
And this is where Caloocan Batang Kangkalu.
Oliver 94 to Sin Lozano.
So the
That's
move
his
from Manalili
second
earlier.
personal foul. Substitution. DJ Pre
Challenge
for
is the defense of
Magafonte.
Lozano. Ito na.
And even in the third quarter, talagang palitan pa rin ng runs both our teams.
Medina knocking down the triple. A long 2-8 lead as the score reflects. Pre, great fake. Stepping in. Gets another. BJ Pre, just so steady.
And what about BJ Pre? And that's your center there. And I think kailangan na siya ipahinga ng konti but to be ready for the last quarter. But what about BJ Pre? Another attack for him, finishing.
Almost a turnover. Eligado to BJ Pre for the easy basket.
DJ Pre.
Great decision for Eligado.
And that will mean free throws here.
Substitution.
This was the pass nga ni Eligado. Playing point guard itong si Jamir. Mangubat stepping back for another three. The Lawrence Mangubat special to end the third period. Ended the first with a run, ended the second, and this time as well in the third. 5 at the end of 3. Batang Abra Weavers up by 10. There is 10-point lead. To enter the fourth, Fredo will turn it over. They get it ahead to Diamante. Stepping through for 2.
What about that move?
Kay Kiting. To the corner, Gagate. Gets the turnaround jumper.
Dead ball.
Lozano. Almost losing it. He finds Pre for 3. Knocks down the triple, BJ Pre.
And what about
Also, give him the ball. This time, aggressive to the hoop. They find Miranda. He will attack and gets the scoop to fall.
And again, ito yung
Calls for his
Warning
second.
on Batang Abra Weavers Lamtex for
Move from
improper
Dwayne
bench
Miranda.
decorum.
Not called Dwayne.
so a much better performance para dito sa Batang Abra Weavers. But itong Caloocan still last 5 minutes and 54 seconds remaining to be able to catch up. But Mac Alfanta, ito yung production na na-miss nila from Mac Alfanta during that game number 2 as we see that pound-for-pound fitness. Right, but he's the one defending ito si Titing Manalili, no? So alam mo talagang napaka-importante ng kanyang role. But Titing Manalili was able to get a basket.
Make that 10 points now para kay Manalili. Pre. Kamaraan move. Just shake. With Caloocan. Take a move from BJ Pre. BJ, can I make a request? Para sa Batang Abra Weavers Lamtex. Punch their ticket into the national finals. Manalili forcing his way inside for that 2.
Well, I was about to say that there's
Medina. Turn around. Lawrence Mangubat.
and what about for Batang Abra Weavers?
Diamante for 3. Answers para sa Batang Kangkalu. That's the lead down to 8.
14 foul. 14 on the shot clock.
Diamante 3-pointer, maybe 3 steps away from that line, but that
First team making things happen, but Earl Medina was able to tap it.
Mangubat though able to recover. A 3 on the way. Alfanta with what might be the dagger para sa Batang Abra Weavers. Para sa kanya, scoreless in our first 20 minutes. Has 11 here sa ating second. The pull-up 3. Diamante will misfire. Pablo gets another putback. That's 22 and 18 para kay Luis Pablo. Final 21 seconds now. Batang Abra Weavers is trying to dribble out as much clock as they could. Borcelo giving up Even the crowd nitong Batang Abra Weavers, kanina pa nila inaantay, Renzo. Kami naman, talagang alos.
Laro na to, no? And sa series na to, what a series para sa Batang Abra Weavers and Caloocan Batang Kangkalu. Just, again, we've been mentioning it the entire game. Palitan lang ng runs. We've seen a lot of highlights sa buong series na to. A lot of heroes for either teams. But in the end, it was Batang Abra Weavers. It was Lawrence Mangubat. It was VJ Pre and Mac Alfanta just securing that ticket to the national finals.
What a ball game, but Batang Abra Weavers just able to weather that storm time and time again.
Well, definitely a great season para sa Caloocan Batang Kangkalu. And again, itong series na to, they were able to force it into 3 games. And